Hi! In front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Accounts. Following that, select Google at the top and click on one of your passwords that you wish to remove. Enter your current login method. And last but not least, hit Delete. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!